Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
In India, the problem of housing has reached gigantic proportions, though we have managed to confront the other problem that faced us. Somehow, housing is one that has not been tackled as it should have been. Various legislations were enforced to ease the situation, but instead they have only worsened the problem. Other countries have managed to house their citizens or have tried and have been successful to do so to see extent, but in India the housing crisis is aggravating day by day. Besides these legislations, we have to consider certain other aspects of our society and our economic structure that aggravates the situation in India. When we view the housing problems, we have to tackle it from different angles. If we look at the rural areas, we see the quality of housing is in a great need of upgradation. A look at the situation in rural areas reveals that basic facilities and amenities like water, electricity, sanitation, etc. are missing in urban areas due to migration and rapid urbanization. Slums and squatter settlements have grown up here. It is the question of housing those living illegal temporary shelters and in overcrowded homes. The population explosion has aggravated the problem in both the rural and urban areas. Besides these factors, the government has not been able to add the required number of housing units to keep pace with rapid urbanization. That population growth, thus a number of housing units that are required is going up each year. Housing is state subject, but union government is responsible for the formulation of the national housing policy under the 20-point program. Means certain social housing schemes are covered. The policy is to be formulated on the lines of those schemes so that they can be effective and efficiently implemented. The state government then implements these schemes according to its own requirements and plan priorities. According to a recent survey, developing countries like India should put up at least a good number of dwelling units each year for its population for the next few decades. This should only curb further worsening of housing crisis. This means that at present the housing shortage runs into millions, and considering our rapid population growth, it will increase at a tremendous rate. The preamble to the national housing policy states that shelter is a basic human need, being such an important part of human settlements. It is closely linked to the overall socio-economic development. Besides being a place to live in, it fulfills many important social needs of household. Housing is not only a consumption commodity but also a productive investment. It serves several purposes and functions. It helps to promote economic activity and at same time enables up to achieve several national policy goals.